Hello, everyone. Coach Lorianne here with Friday Tips of the Week. So the tip of the week this week, based on what I'm hearing from my clients, is, oh my gosh, you guys have to get organized. You want to scale your business. You want to make more money. You want to bring more in. Well, we need to close our opens, messes, and incompletes. So I do have a PDF that you could work on. The link is below. Just jump on that, grab that, and start with making a list of all the things that is hanging out there, hanging over your head. Quick story. I used to go up to my office, a cup of coffee in the morning, and on my stairs on my way up, there would be this wire showing in my living room across my wall. Drove me nuts. And every time I got up into my office, I would write it down. Need to get the extension cord. And I would kind of feel a little agitated because it's just like something that's hanging over my head and would take so short period of time to remedy. One day I went, enough is enough. I put my coffee cup down. I ran down into the basement. I grabbed the extension cord. I put the extension cord on. I no longer saw that cord going across my wall. You couldn't even see the cord anymore. There was this nice feeling of satisfaction. I went up into my office, and that day I started with a different mindset. I started with a different energy because it was taken care of and it wouldn't be hanging over my head anymore. It sounds little and trivial, but it's really those small little shifts that make huge differences in openings. So grab this little PDF. Let's start cleaning up our opens, messes, and incompletes. You need to start somewhere, and that's going to start to allow us to open up, to attract more to come in, more business, scale our business, do the things that we love to do, spend more time with our family, friends, and doing stuff we love to do. I bet that resonates with you. Also wanted to announce today that we're going to starting next Friday, the 19th of July, we're going to start our office hours. So we will be here to field any questions that you may have in scaling your business or what you're doing with your business. Let me help you. And that will be at 11 a.m. Eastern time. Join us here and let's have a little chat. Let's start answering questions. Know that your question, probably hundreds of other people have the same question. So ask that question. Help not only yourself, but other people by asking it. Love doing this for you. I hope you have a really good weekend. I hope you grab the PDF. It's absolutely free, nothing, no strings attached to it, but it will really start you in starting that process of organizing. All right, we're going to see you next Friday. I'm sure I'll see you between now and then. Have a really good weekend, and we'll talk soon.